Okay, hello amazing students. Welcome back to Pixel Pen Digital, the place where we break down math into simple steps. Now today we are going to learn 5 smart tricks to solve algebraic equations fast, but most importantly, we will understand why we solve them that way. So grab your pen and let's go. Okay, trick number 1. Now, it's balance both sides. Yes, whatever you do to one side of the equation, do it to the other. Simple rule, but very powerful. Now, check this out. We have x plus 5 equals to 12. Now, to solve, you subtract 5 on both sides. Why? Because we want x to be by itself. So we say minus 5, and we say minus 5. So 5 minus 5 is going to give us x equal to 12 minus 5 is going to give us 7. This is your answer. Nice and clean. That's your solution. Okay, let's go over to trick number 2. Trick number 2 is eliminate fractions first. Now, what do? You multiply the entire equations by the denominator to clear the fraction. Now, watch this. For example, we have x over 2 plus 3 equals to 7. All you need to do is to multiply both sides by 2, the denominator 2. So we say they put brackets, say 2, we multiply, then times 2. What you do to this side, you do to the other side also. So we say 2 times x is going to give us 2x equals over 2, 2x over 2 plus 3, 2 times 3 is what's going to give us 6, then equals to 7 times 2. So 2 we cancel 2, x will be standing alone, plus 6 equals to 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is going to give us what? 14. Then and x plus 6 is going to give us x 6x. 6x. What do? Minus both sides by 6. Minus both sides by 6. So minus 6. Yes, minus 6. When you cancel both sides, x is standing alone equals to this 14 minus 6 is going to give us what? 8. So that is our answer for trick number 2. Alright, let's go over to trick number 3. Trick number 3 means it says combine like terms. Now, what we mean by combining like terms? It means group like terms together before you solve. Like, let's solve this one. For example, we have 3x plus 2 equal 2 minus 3x plus 2 minus x all equals to 10. So what do? You combine like terms. So we say 3x minus x plus 2 equals to 10. So 3x minus x is going to give us 2x plus 2 equals to 10. What do? Minus both sides by 2. So you say 2x plus 2 minus 2, then 10 minus 2. Remember, what you do to the right hand side, you do to the left hand side. So it's 2 minus 2. 2x will be standing alone. 10 minus 2, we have what? 8. So the next step is 2x is the same thing as 2 times x. So whenever you see times, you do what? You divide. So we say 2 divided by 2x divided by 2, 8 divided by 2. 2 cancel 2, x is standing alone. 8 divided by 2, we have 4. This is our answer. Okay, trick number 4 is use inverse operation. Now this next one is a game changer. Now trick number 4, use operations. Okay, use opposite operations to isolate the variables. Now let's go. We have 2x plus 4 equals to 10. Now what do? We start by subtracting 4 both sides, like the way I told you. Yeah, this is 4 because once x will stand alone, so we subtract 4 both sides. 4, and here we have 2x standing alone. 4 cancel 4. 2x is standing alone equals to 10 minus 6 is going to give 10 minus 4 is going to give us 6. So what do? 2x is the same thing as 2 times x. like what I said in the previous one. So whenever you see times, you do what? You divide. So we say divide both sides by 2. So 2 divided by 2, x is standing alone. Then 6 divided by 2 is 3. This is your answer. All right, trick number 5, it's always check your answers. Now, trick number 5 is all about confidence. Always plug your answers back in to make sure it works. Now, original problem is x minus 4 equals to 3. Now we solve x equals to 7, right? X equals to 7. Now let's check our answers. Now we say to check our answer, we say 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Now perfect match. That's how you know your right answers. Now let's quickly recap the 5 golden tricks. The first one is balance both sides. The second one is eliminate fractions. The third one is combine like terms. The fourth is use inverse operation. And number 5 is always check your answers. Now that you know this, you will breeze through equations like a pro. If this video made algebra easy for you, do me a favor. Yes, do me a favor, hit the like button, drop a comment with your score, and subscribe for more quick fun math lessons from Pixel Pen Digital. Next up, we will learn how to simplify expressions under a minute. See you in the next video. Thank you.